Hello everybody and welcome to Caldera Creative Creations. My name is Roxana and today we are working with some beautiful peonies. We are working with some beautiful jasmine. There's a jasmine going in. We are working with some of these beautiful eucalyptus. We got some florals, some daisies. Beautiful. We also are working with, let me see if I say it right, it came in one bundle, a Ripasalis Bacafera, just beautiful, some little white florals, just came in one bundle like this, like a vine. We are working with that. We got our scissors, our wire cutters. On this project you could use your glue gun or extra wiring for secure. Okay, let's get started. We're just going to get these. Kind of pushing my Wreath. Put the, squish it in. That's the reason I love this Wreath. You can puff it up, or you can squish it down, you can bend it. You could attach things. No, all the other stuff going on. There we go. Look at that. Put that in and just get little by little. Get this beauty. Ripsalis. I wish when you're going to the store they have the name of the floral on it, you know. Take that, look at, take this around here, pick up some of that and put it there. Get that. There's another one right there. Okay, so two more going on, so I think I'm gonna get this one there. We're gonna get this one right here. So let's do this. Look at that, how beautiful. Let's get this. That. La, la, la. There it is. Look at that. Push this other in. Okay. Now we are going to get our peonies. We're just going to get some all in here. Oh yeah. Let's get some of this on. Kind of put them around, but there we go, like that, huh? Yeah. Okay, we got that. Now we are going to get our beautiful eucalyptus. Kind of just weave them in here. Move your Wreath around. Look at that. Move them around. Oh, beautiful. Eucalyptus to me just brings out relaxation and just like Makes your house feel so comfortable, I think, you know. Look at that. Okay, now we are going to get some of these little, just a little bit of daisies. So we're just going to put them on real far apart, you know, separate. Now we're going to get some of these. And just put these along in a beautiful wreath. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let me see. Put this little piece in there. Look at that. Wow. Okay, and then we're going to get these beauties up in here. These jasmine. I kind of wanted some to where it kind of stands out. And it drips forward, you know. Make her. There, see it? Beautiful. Let's get this one. Look at that. We're just gonna get, let's see. Right in there, everybody. And I think I'm gonna get this pansy and put some more white here, huh? And there it is, everybody. Look at this. How beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's get some more white over here. Nope, because then we won't have none here. How is that, everybody? Just being creative. Yeah, working with some beautiful eucalyptus, some peonies, some Ripacilla bacafera, if I'm saying that right. And you just come out with the beauty, everybody. Look at that. Let me see, maybe put some of this in here, huh? Oh, that's a little too long. Get some going right in here. Like that. There we go. Once again, everybody, I enjoyed being here with you guys. If you guys got any ideas or inspiration or just enjoyed my channel, consider pressing that subscribe button. It is free. You'll also be helping my channel grow with that much thanks. How'd that come out, everybody? Pretty pretty? So again, everybody, let's get that beautiful smile on. Until the next video, have a great, wonderful day. And don't forget to get that beautiful smile on, everybody. Thanks for watching. Like and share.